Whoa, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, looking at the box, you see this black box, plain. We're going to get straight to the meat and butter. Air Force 107 PRM JDI. That's Just Do It. Now, these come in tonal orange and tonal orange. Now, on the paper, you got a bunch of little stars all throughout the paper. But enough of that. Let's get to the meat and potatoes of this thing. Here it is, the Air Force One Just Do It. Now, Nike gonna be celebrating their 30th anniversary, you know, and they releasing what's called the Just Do It pack. Now, these gonna have some of the most iconic shoes you could think of. Well, really, it's gonna be the Air Force One, the Air Max 95, and the Air Max 1. And all of them gonna be in the iconic orange color that you done seen on all the Nike boxes through the years. You know what I'm saying? And it's gonna be all about the Just Do It tag. You know what I mean? So you're gonna have the Just Do It on the heel, as you can see right here, on the swoosh. I mean, all throughout the shoe, man. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at it, man, and tell me what y'all think. You see the strings, you see the toe box, see the Just Do It on the strings, you got it on the tag on the tongue. I mean, they just doing it, you know what I'm saying? On the inside, you got the Nike Air in orange and black. I mean, it's a pretty plain shoe, but it's all about the logo on this one, baby. You know what I'm saying? So you can see that tag on the front. Look, there's another one. See the Just Do It all throughout the swoosh. I mean, I think it's a nice little shoe, man. It's hot. It's different. You know what I'm saying? I mean, if anybody could do this, it got to be Nike. I give them that. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, it's pretty dope, man. Now we're going to take a look at the other shoe. They got a few little differences. You know, some of the patches different. You know, some of the Just Do It right there on the right is different. I mean, you can look for yourself. Right here on the back, this Just Do It is in black. The other one is white. I mean, you're going to see as I compare them side by side. But, I mean, here's a closer look. You know, you see that different patch in the front. You see Just Do It 3 times on the side. I mean, hey, man, look. Y'all go ahead, rewind the video, check it out. You know, compare them for yourself. You know, go in the store and check them out. You know, I'm just giving y'all a little quick visual on it. You know what I'm saying? And it is what it is. You know, so let me know what y'all think, man. You feeling them? You're not planning on copping them? You've been waiting on something like this? Let me know what's up. So we're gonna look around the shoe a little bit more, man, and you know, try to give y'all a little comparison between the two. As you can see, these 2 patches in the front. I mean, I like it, bro. You know, and I'm not even a fan of Air Force Ones. Like I said in another video, I don't think they hold they wear and tear value. You know what I'm saying? I feel like me being a Bigfoot cat, you know, I'm hard on my shoes, man, you know, so it is what it is, man. Looking at the medial sides of both shoes, you can see what it do. As the tongues, both of them had a Just Do It on it. I mean, I think it's fire, man. It's different. Something different, you know. On one of those days, you know, you could pull these out and crush the crowd, you know what I'm saying? So, hot shoe. You see the insole, the same. Nothing big about that. To me, it's an overall fire shoe, man. You know, and I don't know when the release date is. I'm not sure. I think they just released or whatever, you know, and you know, it is what it is, man. Oh, here's a look at the strings. Let you see them, you know. Got to Just Do It all throughout the strings and on the tips. Of course, you know, they gotta have Just Do It, because that's the theme of the shoe. You know what I mean? So, I mean, they put some work in with these, man. You know, the 30th anniversary, so they going all out, man. You know, I gotta give them respect. So, a little bit later, I'm gonna be doing a review on the other ones, is the Air Max 95 and the Air Max 1s, if I run across them. You know, but if not, Y'all already know what the business is. I mean, I think it's a dope shoe. You know what I'm saying? I can't even knock it, man. You know, knowing what it represents and everything. You know, I think it's a nice shoe, you know, for the cause. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, man, let me know what y'all think, how you feel about them. You know, if you're planning on copping or whatever. You know, I'm trying to breeze through this, man, because I got a couple of other videos I'm trying to put up tonight. Because I know tomorrow, Father's Day, man, and I'm going to be too busy doing my thing. You know what I mean? So, trying to get these videos up for y'all tonight, man. Hope y'all enjoy, man. Oh, yeah. These do come with 2 stickers. You know, 2 bumper stickers, or whatever you're going to do with them. With Just Do It and the orange Nike check. I mean, that's pretty dope. Nice little touch. You can put that on your car and your girl car, whatever it is. You know what I'm saying? So, it's a nice little touch, man. You know what I mean? So, excuse me for saying that. You know what I mean? Hey, bro, it's a habit sometimes, man. Especially when I'm doing my thing. You know what I mean? So, anyway, man, look. Thank y'all for watching, man. Y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. Turn your notifications on. Follow us on Instagram at PetlersAir504. You know what I'm saying? And stay tuned, man, because I got some more videos coming. You dig? And I'ma holler back.